Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Arlene Villosillo. I'm 40 years old. I'm married and I have 3 kids. Eldest is 18, 15, and 10. And I undergraduate. I undergraduate of college, but I am graduate of vocational like in housekeeping, EC2, and bread and pastry EC2. I had an experience as a local domestic here in Philippines in 2 years, and they have kids taking care, and I will do laundry, cooking, car wash, and go to market. And Mom and Sir, if you hired me, I will do my responsibilities with love and care. I hope you will hire me as your part of your family. I will take care of your family like my own family. I am honest, hardworking, flexible, and I know how to manage the time management and multitasking. Thank you so much.